Hello, my beautiful people. My new message for you today, or message from the source, is all about guilt and blame. I would like to talk about that in order to give you really a look into that energy. Why this is not quite beautiful and nice energy for us and for others also, and why not to use it. Okay, so maybe we have learned, we were learning many years from now um, about how to be happy and how to be positive, and why not bother with negative emotions, negative energy, and negative people. And from now on, we will learn how to balance both parts of these poles. Okay, so on one side is positive thinking, on the other side is negative thinking and negative people and everything negative. But if you are happy and you are all about positivity, it's like that. You are here and negativity is here. But it will happen that it will go around, so the negativity will be here and you will be full in those emotions. You will feel that because it is like that. Okay. It's so we were learning, those were steps. And the third step is balance, how to be in balance. So in this year, from now on, we are learning how to be in balance, because in balance, it means that we are in peace. We have a lot more energy, we are healthy, and we feel very good. Okay? So if you want to have a balance in your life, I am inviting you right now to listen further. And for women, we have a womb, and this womb is a balance for us. Okay, so be aware of it. Put your hands down on this place, on this spot on your body, and feel it. This is a place that it is possible to clean energies, old energies out of it. So they are connected with your ancestors and also with your past lives and all emotions and traumas. So you can leave it out. If you want to work with me one-on-one, please just share with me, tell me, and we can start. So back to our balance. So in order to have this balance, first you must you must really know what it is blame and guilt and others negative emotions. Okay, so when we are blaming, you can blame yourself or others. You can feel guilt for something, or you can blame others. So right now I am giving you permission to let go guilt that you feel. I'm giving you permission to let go all this guilt that's inside of you. The energy can go. You can let go now. Yes? Because this is what we thought, what we were taught. Yes? This is this energy. It is not the truth. It is what we learned. Okay? And now you can give it back. because it's not from the source, in like you are not that. It's a part of your learning, but now you can give it back. Yeah, because what it is, blame and guilt, how this looks like, it's the energy, it's like all around you, it's like this big black cloud, which is very tough, very hard. You can't, so good things can't come into your life, but you will attract more of that. So that's the magnet, your magnet. And if you blame other people, that means that, if you can imagine, it's like that you held it, this like in the play, like paintball, you know, you have a gun or something, and you will shoot, and you shoot someone with the paint, and this paint um, can hurt also. It can hurt a little bit, okay? So every time you blame others or yourself, you hurt yourself and you hurt others. So that's not very nice. So that's why the same is coming to you, because this energy wants to be balanced, wants to be balanced. But if you are playing non-stop all the time, this game, it can't be. So first you must learn how to be positive, how to let go of everything, and how to say, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I forgive myself. And I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Okay. And then you can turn into the middle and have balance and peace. So I hope that this explanation will help you turn your energies more into peace, not to use them anymore. Be aware and just choose wisely. Okay, that's our next step. So, yes, please subscribe. And if you want to work with me, with your ancestors, or cleaning your womb, or for mediumship, please let me know. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye. And I love you.